This is how the tool is going to come to you on this blister pack. You can see all of the information on the front of the blister pack. And if we turn it over, you can see information on the back of the blister pack, some information about picking, and again, your disclaimer about liability for misuse. Again, made in America, 100% made in Arizona. And let's get into it. Start by cutting this open. Come right along the plastic. Solid aluminum. It's got a really good feel in the hand. Push the tool out. Lock it in place with the thumb screw. And you're ready to start picking. Remove your tension wrench. Tension wrench pops right out, held in place by the end cap. This thumb screw holds the tool, holds the pick out, and releases it into the closed position. So again, we'll go through this piece by piece. Tension wrench, take off the front cap. You can see the tool and the spring. Let's take the end cap off. Pretty simple. Let's remove the thumb screw. Everything's made of aluminum, feels really good and solid. And here's the plunger. So this screw right here is where you remove a tip if you were to break this tip, unlikely as that is. Or if you wanted to rotate the hump of the pick so that you picked it 180 degrees, you can unscrew the tip, pull the tip off, turn it 180 degrees and reassemble it so that when it's in the tool, instead of picking this way, you're picking 180 degrees. So there you have it, all aluminum, all solid parts. And let's see if we can put it all back together in front of the camera here. So we're gonna drop the plunger in. We're gonna put the spring back in. We'll put the front piece on. We'll put the rear cap back on. And see if we can get the thumb screw in there. I'm gonna hold it in place under a little bit of spring tension there. It's a little fiddly, but I'm gonna get it right in there. I don't want to cross thread this. There we go. All right, so we've disassembled the tool and assembled it. And again, this end cap holds your tension wrench in place. Believe it or not, that's my first time taking it out of the package, assembling it, disassembling it. So pretty simple. And again, if we're getting ready to use it for picking, there's the front pick part. There's our tension wrench, and we're ready to go to work. And again, if you want the hump to be flipped 180 degrees so you can hold the tool this way, you just take out that plunger, remove the tip with that little screw off of the plunger, flip it over 180 degrees, and you'd be good to go. So there it is, Dyno Kwick Pick unboxing, assembly, disassembly. Hope you enjoyed.